Hi students, I am continuing the chapter straight lines. Today I am going to discuss some problems related to slopes of a line and equations of line. So listen carefully. This is our first question. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. If tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slope of the lines. So let's start the solution of this question. So given that the slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. So take slope of line L1 is M1 and slope of line L2 is M2, and let us assume M1 is the slope of line L1 is M1, and given that the slope of a line is double of the slope of another line, so I am taking slope of line L2 is 2m. Okay, and we know that angle between slope of two lines can be calculated by using the formula tan theta equal to mod m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Right. So given that the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, that means given that its value is 1 by 3. Okay, tangent of the angle, that means tan theta is given as 1 by 3. So I am writing here it is equal to 1 by 3. Next I am going to substitute the value of m1 and m2 here, and we get mod, here m2 is 2m minus m divided by 1 plus 2m into m equal to 1 by 3. It further implies 2m minus m is m divided by 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 by 3. Okay, and we know that inside the modulus we have two values, either it is positive or negative. Right, we know that the mod minus x and modulus of x has the same value as x, right? If we taking outside this mode, we get positive answer. So inside, so we can write inside this modulus, this value having two values. That means either a positive or negative. So I am writing a positive value here, m divided by 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 by 3, or it is negative of m divided by 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So first I am going to take this value here. So writing this first part and this is second part. So considering first part first, m divided by 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplying this term we get 3m equal to 1 plus 2m square. Taking this 3m to RHS, we get 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Right. So this is a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here x is changes to m and a is m2, a is 2, b equal to minus 3 and c is 1. Okay. And we know that the solution of quadratic equation x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. But here it is m. So don't forget to write m here. M is equal to, I am going to substitute all the values here, and we get m equal to minus b here. B is minus 3, so minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 all square minus 4 into, here a is 2 and c is 1, so 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, a is A is 2. Okay. And it will further equal to minus of minus 3 will become plus 3 plus or minus root of 9, 3 square minus 3 all square will become 9 minus 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 4 equal to 3 plus or minus root 1 divided by 4. So here we get two values, m equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 4 or 3 minus 1 divided by 4. We get first value as 4 by 4 or 1. Second value is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So the values of m, if we take positive values inside this modulus, we get m equal to 1 and 1 by 2. 1 or 1 by 2. Okay. Next, taking the second term, that is minus of m divided by 1 plus 2m square equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, I am going to cross multiplying this term. We get minus 3m equal to 1 plus 2m square. Taking this minus 3m to RHS, we get 2m square plus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Again, this is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, solution is same. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, here the only difference is that here a is 2, c is 1, but b is plus 3. Here b is minus 3. Here it is plus 3. Okay. The solution m will be equal to minus 3 minus b. So it will become minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, that is 3 square minus 4ac. 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 2a. 2a is 2. So here also we get minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 8 divided by 4. M will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 8 will become 1 divided by 4. Okay, so here also we get two values of m, two roots of m. One root is minus 3 plus 1 by 4 and next root is minus 3 minus 1 by 4. Here we get minus 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, and here it is minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So the values of m are minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Okay. So in case 1 we get two values of m. First value is 1 and second value is 1 by 2. And in our question given that the second slope of the line are double of first slope, that means here 2m is equal to, at m equal to 1, 2m equal to 2, and at m equal to 1 by 2, 2m equal to 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, so in the first case, slopes of lines are, that is m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2, or m1 equal to half and m2 equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, if we consider case 2, we get two values of m, that is slope of line L1 is either it is equal to minus 1 by 2 or it is equal to minus 1. So double of the slope will be equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 1, and here at m equal to minus 1, 2m will be 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. So in case 2, the slope of lines are at m1 equal to minus 1 by 2, m2 will be minus 1, and at the m1 or at m1 equal to minus 1, m2 will be minus 2. Okay, I hope you understood this question. This is our next question. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. So first of all, I'm going to draw this line. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4 x-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is our y-axis. Okay. So first point is 3, minus 1. This is 3 and this is our minus 1. So this is our point 3, minus 1. Next point is 4, minus 2. 4, minus 2. So this is our second line. 4, minus 2. Okay. So this is the line joining the points 3, minus 2. Sorry, 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2, right? So this is our line. So I'm going to extend this line. So here we need to find out the angle between the x-axis and the line. That means this point. Okay, and positive direction. So this is our theta. Okay, and we know that the slope of a line when 2 points are given is y equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here take this is x1 y1 and this will x2 y2. So substituting the values here, we get y is equal to, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is minus 1 minus of minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 4, and which will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus of minus 2 will become plus 2 divided by 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 will become 1 by minus 1. The slope of the line when two points are given will be minus 1. And we know that slope can also be written as tan theta if inclination of a line is given. So substituting the value of slope here, that is equal to minus 1 here, and we know that tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 is equal to 1, right? So next I am going to write this minus and change this 1 to tan pi by 4. Okay, next I am going to take this negative to inside. So here we know that tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. If we draw the 4 quadrant, this is our pi, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and so on. So here tan pi minus theta will be equal to, if this pi is here, the tan pi minus theta will be equal to tan theta. There is no changes here, but next I am going to find out the sign of this tan theta. Pi minus theta lies in second quadrant, and we know that in only sine and cosec are positive in second quadrant. So pi minus theta, the tan pi minus theta will be equal to minus tan theta. So here minus this minus tan pi by 4 we can also written as tan pi minus pi by 4, which will be equal to tan 4 pi minus pi by 4 or equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4 means tan 135 degree. So what is the here the question is to find the angle between x-axis and these line join these 2 points. So now we get angle theta is equal to 135 degree. Okay, I hope you understood this question. This is our next question. Find the slope of the line which makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. Okay, so first of all I am going to draw our two axes. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Given that the line which makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. So if we draw a line which makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis means this is our positive anti-clockwise. Positive direction of a y-axis means we are always taking anti-clockwise direction is the positive sign of angle, right? So here I'm taking a 30 degree with the positive direction or anti-clockwise of y-axis. From here we take a 30 degree and draw a line here. So this is our respective line L1. So 30 degree is the angle with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise, right? So we have to find out slope of the line, and slope of the line, if inclination is given, we know that it is tan theta. But here theta is the inclination or angle made by the positive direction of x-axis measured anti-clockwise, right? So we know that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so theta will be equal to 90 plus 30 degree and it will be equal to 120 degree. Okay, so our slope will be equal to tan 120 degree. Okay, and next I am going to replace this 120 degree as 180 minus 60 is equivalent to 120 degree, right? And we know that tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So here minus, the answer will be tan minus tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3. So the answer will be minus root 3. The slope of the line will be equal to minus root 3. So don't forget to write this 90 degree. Always take this angle theta is the positive direction of a y angle made by the positive direction of y axis measured anti-clockwise. Okay, this is our next question. Find the equation of the line which is at a perpendicular distance of 5 units from the origin and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis 30 degree. So in this question we need to find out the equation of a line. So first of all I am going to draw this line. So here given that so let this is our line which is at a perpendicular distance of 5 units from the origin. That means I'm going to draw a perpendicular from origin. So given that the distance is 5 units, and also given that the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree, that is, this is our 30 degree. So we know that in this question I'm going to use normal form for finding the equation of a line. We know that in normal form two data are required. First data is perpendicular distance from the origin, and second data is, and it is denoted as P, right? And second one is the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis. That is, it is denoted as omega. So comparing these two, given that P is equal to 5 and omega is equal to 30 degree, right? The normal form of equation of a line is x into cos omega plus y into sin omega equal to P. So substituting the values here, x into cos, here omega is 30 degree plus y into sin omega 30 equal to P is 5. And we know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2, right? So taking this 1 by 2 outside from these two terms, we get root 3x plus y equal to 5. Taking these 2 to RHS, so here we get root 3x plus y is equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. So the required equation of line will be root 3x plus y equal to 10. Okay, I hope you understood this question. So this is very important. This is our normal form of equation of a line. Okay. This is our next question. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? Okay, so let's start the solution of this question. Here, given that selling price and demand are linear, right? Here, given that the relationship between selling price and demand is linear, so I'm writing this dialog first. The relationship between selling price and demand is linear. So I'm going to take taking selling price as x-axis and demand in y-axis, and given that 2 points, that is he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14. So our first point is at rupees 14 per liter he can sell 980 liters of milk each week. Okay, and also given that at rupees 16 per liter, he can sell 1220 liters of milk. Okay, so these are the 2 points. So note that in x-axis we are representing selling price and in y-axis it is demand. Okay, so next I am going to find out the linear relationship between selling price and demand using equation of line, and we have only 2 points. So equation of line having 2 points can be find out by equation of lines in 2-point form. And what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here given that it is in x-axis it is selling price and in y-axis it is demand, and we have 2 points. So taking the first point is 14,980 and second point is 16,1220. So take this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2. So substituting in this equation, we get the linear relationship between equation of line in the terms of selling price and demand. Okay, so y minus here y1 is 980 equal to x minus here x1 is 14 into y2 minus y1, that is 1220 minus y1 is 980 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 16 minus 14. Okay, and we get y minus 980 equal to x minus 14 into 980. Subtracting these two values, here we get 240 by 2. So cancelling these two, and we get 120 into x minus 14 equal to y minus 980. Next I am going to take this minus 980 to RHS. We get y equal to 120 into x minus 14 plus 980. Okay, so this is the linear equation of a line which tells the relationship between demand and selling price. Okay, y is the demand and x is the selling price. In this question, we need to find out how many liters of milk the owner of the milk store can sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter. That means this is our selling price, that means x. Okay, so it is given and we need to find out the demand of milk. Okay, so next I am going to substitute at x equal to 17. We get the demand of the milk. So substituting the value of x in this equation, we get y equal to 120 into 17 minus 14 plus 980. Okay, and it will further equal to y equal to 120 into 17 minus 14 will become 3 plus 980, or y equal to 120 into 3 is 360 plus 980. Adding these two values, we get 1340. So this is the demand of milk. So thus the owner of the milk store could sell 1340 liters of milk weekly at rupees 17 per liter. Okay, I hope you understood this question.